ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 27 Applying Joins. Joins describe the links between tables. They affect the way queries select records when related tables are involved. The default join type, which is applied by Access automatically, is an inner join. With this type of join, a query will only display records where there is a corresponding entry in both tables. For example, a query on linked computers and repairs tables would only show computers that had a repair. Any computers without a repair job or jobs without relevant computer records would not be displayed. This is an important point to remember. Sometimes a linked tables query will not display all the records you expect because of this. Using this example, if you wanted to display all computers in a query, whether or not they had a match in the repairs table, you would redefine the link as an outer join based on the computers table. An alternative outer join based on the repairs table could also be defined, which would show all repair records even when there was no associated computer record. A subtract join is the opposite of an outer join. It includes only those records in one table that don't match any record in the other table. Okay, let's try this out. Let's open the Custom Computers database and open the Computers table. Let's create a new record. The serial number B12345A. Manufacturer Bantacom. Model Pentio. Year made 2007. The owner Smallfoot, Andrew, Mr. 234 Cedar Drive. Leave all other fields blank. Okay, let's close the table. The computer is registered but has had no repairs yet. Let's create a new query in Design View. Create Query Design. Add the Computers table and then the Repairs table to the grid. Because there is a relationship defined for these tables, the link has been displayed. Okay, let's close the Show Table dialog box. And now let's double-click the relationship line to display the Join Properties dialog box. Notice how Join Type 1 is selected by default. This is an inner join. It only includes rows where the joined fields from both tables are equal. Click OK without making any changes. From Computers, place serial number and model onto the grid. From Repairs, place job number, engineer, and date. Now let's run the query. Even though the new Bantacom Pentio record is in the Computers table, it is not shown in the results because only records with repairs are displayed. Switch back to Design View and double-click the relationship line. To define the link as a left outer join based on the Computers table, select Option 2. So this will include all records from computers and only those records from repairs where the joined fields are equal. Click OK and then run the query. The Pentio record is now shown, but because it has not been repaired, the last three fields are blank. Save the query as outer join and then close it. Now let's reopen the outer join query and let's look at it in Design View. Add the criteria is null to the job number field. Run the query. Only the Pentio record is displayed because this is the only record without a job number. This is known as a subtract join, and in this case displays only computers that have no repair. Note that the actual link is still an outer join. The is null criteria makes it a subtract join. Okay, let's save this query as subtract join and then close it. Okay, at that point we've finished lesson 27, in which we've discussed applying joins, and I look forward to seeing you next time when we will discuss self joins. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.